Introducing the patented L-welding system, brought to you by Turbo Heat Welding Tools. The L-welding system is made up of 3 parts: the detail nozzle, the L-adapter pencil tip, and the Leister Hot Jet S. With the L-welding system, an installer can effectively heat weld flash cove, toe kicks, corners, and more. Here's how it works. The L-welding pencil tip lets the installer heat weld comfortably at a 90-degree angle. With the hot air gun off to the side, the installer can see exactly where they're welding by simply tracing along the groove. As you approach the curve, simply turn your wrist for an even and consistent weld. With the lightweight design of the Hot Jet S, the installer can control the gun with one hand and feed the welding rod with the other. Its compact size allows the installer to heat weld under toe kicks in hard-to-reach areas. At a closer look, you can see that the detail nozzle is concentrating all of the hot air on the welding rod and inside the groove to prevent you from scorching or burning the material. The washes that appear on the sides let you know that you're getting a high quality weld. To heat weld the inside and outside corners, simply preheat the welding rod and groove for a few seconds before you start. Then, start feeding the welding rod in through the detail nozzle, using the front panel to push the welding rod into the groove for a stronger bond. Again, once you reach the curve, simply turn your wrist for a nice, even, and consistent weld. The benefit of the detail nozzle is that you can take your time with the corners and details without worrying about burning the material. With the L-welding system, you can heat weld almost any flooring material with the same great results.